Let us discuss about what is MLM. What is an MLM company? An MLM or a multi-level marketing is a company that is based on direct selling. MLM company is also known as networking marketing company. Direct selling is a business technique, which allows the selling of company products directly to the consumers without any intermediate distribution system. Difference between MLM company and traditional company. Traditional company. The movement of the products and services from the manufacturer to the consumers is through a distribution system via stockholder, retailer, wholesaler and advertisements, etc. MLM company. The movement of the products and services from the manufacturer to consumers is direct through a network of people called network marketing. MLM company benefits. MLM offers work flexibility. MLM can be started as a part-time career. MLM provides opportunities for unlimited potential earnings. MLM is the affordable business to start. Choose your own team. Small amount of risk and huge potential income. No employees to hire and time freedom. Huge demand of products. Types of MLM companies. There are 3 types of multi-level marketing, MLM, businesses, based on their level: single-tier MLM company, 2-tier MLM company, multi-tier MLM company. There are 3 types of multi-level marketing, MLM, businesses, based on their major source of revenue: sell a product, sell a service, sell memberships. Single-tier MLM company. Single-tier MLM company is based on the direct sales of the products and services. It does not require the members to recruit new distributors. 2-tier MLM company. 2-tier MLM company is based on the network marketing and requires some recruitment. The compensation of the person depends on the sales of products or service and the sales of the person they recruited under them. Multi-tier MLM company. Multi-tier MLM company uses multi-level marketing to encourage existing distributors to recruit new members in exchange for a portion of their recruit sales. 2 important aspects of MLM company. Training of the members join their organization. Improve the sales of their products and services. Training of the members. The MLM company should provide the proper training to all its members who are joining their firm. Each and every candidate should go through training and understand the whole company process. Improve the sales of products and services. The MLM organization should improve their sales of products and services. The MLM company should deliver the products and services based on the requirement of the market. Why should people invest in MLM company? MLM company is an opportunity for anyone and everyone to earn a second income. MLM is a growing business currently on large scale. Low cost of entry for MLM business. The 9-to-5 job is broken, so work is flexible. Good quality of products increases in distribution. MLM company needs no inventory. MLM does not need to hire company employees. Its operating cost is low. MLM company is portable. Thank you. For more details,